Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back, everyone. In today's tip, we're going to talk about something a little bit different than our common seam sealers, rocker guards, gravel guard type application. This is the invisible stuff. Yeah. And the only way to find it is something you got to do extensive researching from the manufacturer. Mike, what are we talking about?
Yeah, so what we have seen and what we've experienced is that a lot of your car manufacturers will actually have in their OEM repair procedures under the gravel guard or chip guard section, it will talk about a material that's applied to the front leading edge of the hood. Now, most, if not all, OEM manufacturers will state that you need to get with your paint manufacturer to determine how you're going to duplicate that. In some instances, when you go to duplicate this texture or chip resistant material on the front edge of the hood, it may require an additive, may require a special primer, so you need to get with them on that. Now, as far as whether it's included or not included, my understanding is that it's not included, and that each of the estimating systems says that it requires an on-the-spot evaluation. So I want to go back to what Danny said though. It may not always be visible to the eye. So it's important, ladies and gentlemen, that you research the OEM repair procedures to see if there's any gravel guard or chip guard material applied to the front leading edge of the hood or maybe even the front edges of the fenders.
Great point, Mike. And like I said, if you can't see it, talk with your paint manufacturer, see what the products apply in your facility, talk with your painter, because this is a very easy step that you can overlook. And again, the question is, are you going to return that vehicle to pre-accident condition? Research it, and if it requires it, apply that product back on the vehicle.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Gravel guard is not just for the underside or the lower edges of a vehicle, but also the front edges of the hoods and the fenders. So don't delay, research your OEM repair procedures today.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.